Every cat has a different personality. Understanding feline behavior. Cats are fascinating creatures. While many people think of them as aloof or independent, anyone who has spent significant time with different cats knows that each one has a unique personality. Just like a humans, cats have their own preferences, quirks, and temperaments. Some cats are cuddly and affectionate, while others are more reserved or playful. Understanding these differences can help us better care for and bond with our feline companions. Cat's personality is influenced by several factors, including genetics, early socialization, environment, and individual experiences. These elements interact to create a wide range of feline behaviors and traits. Certain breeds tend to have specific personality traits. For example, Siamese cats are often vocal and demanding, while Maine Coons are known for being gentle giants. However, while breed can give some clues, it doesn't entirely determine cat's personality. Mixed breed cats, in particular, display an incredible variety of temperaments. The experiences a cat has during the first few weeks of the life play a significant role in shaping its personality. Kittens that are handled gently by humans and exposed to different environments, sounds, and experiences early on tend to grow into more confident and social cats. On the other hand, kittens that like early socialization or face traumatic experiences may become more fearful or skittish around people or new situations. A cat's environment also shapes its behavior. Cats raised in calm, loving homes tend to be more relaxed, while those in chaotic or stressful environments may become anxious or withdrawn. How we interact with our cats, whether through play, affection, or routine, can influence how they behave and feel about the world around them. Just like a humans, each cat's life experiences leave an imprint on their behavior. A cat that has faced abandonment or trauma might be more cautious and less trusting. On the other hand, a cat that has enjoyed consistent affection and care may be more open to new people and experiences. Though each cat is unique, many experts agree that feline personalities can be loosely grouped into a few broad categories. These categories aren't rigid, and many cats display traits from more than one group, but they can help us understand general trends in behavior. Some cats are naturally outgoing and love being around people. These cats often greet visitors at the door, enjoy being petted, and follow their owners around the houses. Social butterflies are usually confident and adapt well to new environment or changes in routine. They often enjoy being the center of attention and might even tolerate being held or carried, unlike more independent cats. Shy or timid cats tend to be more reserved and cautious. They may hide when new people come over, or they might need time to warm up to strangers. These cats can still form deep bonds with their owners, but often prefer quieter, more predictable environments. Patience and gentle handling are key to helping shy cats feel safe and comfortable. Some cats have a strong prey drive and are always on the hunt. These playful hunters love chasing toys, stalking shadows, or engaging in walks battles with their owners. They may be more active and energetic, requiring plenty of playtime and stimulation to stay happy. Interactive toys, puzzle feeder, and scheduled play session can help satisfy their natural hunting instincts. While some cats crave attention, others are more independent and prefer to do things on their own terms. Independent cats are often low maintenance and enjoy exploring or lounging in solitude. They may not seek out affection as often, but they still enjoy the company of their owners in small doses. These cats might come off as aloof, but they often show subtle signs of affection like sitting nearby or following you from room to room. Yet cats are affectionate and love nothing more than curling up with their favorite person. These cats enjoy physical contact and often seek out cuddles, purring contentedly when they are being held or petted. Lab cats thrive on attention and usually prefer calm, cozy environments where they can relax and bond with their owners. They make great companions for those looking for a more interactive and affectionate feline. Recognizing your cat's personality in the first step towards providing them with the best care possible. Here are some tips for meeting your cat's needs based on their temperaments. Social cats need plenty of interaction to stay happy. Make sure to spend time playing, petting, and talking to them daily. They also tend to enjoy social activities, so introducing them to a new people or pets can be exciting for them. Just be sure to monitor their interaction and adjust if needed. Shy cats require patience and a calm environment. Give them plenty of safe spaces where they can retreat when they feel overwhelmed, such as a cozy hiding spots or high perches. Let them approach you on their own terms and avoid forcing interaction. Gradually building trust will encourage them to come out of their shell. These cats need plenty of stimulation to burn off energy. Engage them in interactive play using toys that mimic the movements of prey like feather, wands, or laser pointers. Providing puzzles, feeders, or treat dispensing toys can also challenge their mind and satisfy their hunting instincts. Independent cats appreciate their space. Give them the freedom to explore and engage with the world at their own pace. Don't be offended if they don't want constant attention. They often show their affection in subtler ways. Ensure they have plenty of places to hide, climb, or observe their surroundings. Let cats thrive on affection, so make time to cuddle and spend quiet moments with them. These cats often enjoy cozy blankets, heated beds, or soft cushions. They might also like being brushed or petted for longer periods as long as they are comfortable and relaxed. It's important to note that a cat's personality can change over time, especially due to age, health, or significant life events. Kittens, for example, are often more energetic and playful, but as they age, they may become more relaxed or reserved. Likewise, a once shy cat may grow more confident as they become familiar with their surroundings, while a previously outgoing cat might become more withdrawn if they are feeling unwell or stressed. If you notice sudden or dramatic changes in your cat's behavior, it's always a good idea to consult a veterinarian. Cats are masters at hiding pain or illness, and behavior shifts can sometimes indicate underlying health problems. Just like a humans, every cat is a unique individual with its own personality, preferences, and quirks. By taking the time to understand your cat's temperament, you can provide them with a happier and more fulfilling life. Whether your cat is a social butterfly, a shy companion, a playful hunter, or an independent thinker, their personality is what makes them special. Embrace it and enjoy the unique bond you share with your feline friend. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know what you think in the comments below or what you would like to see next. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and take care.